for you. Woo! Alrighty. Alrighty then. Can you guess what we're doing today? We're gonna sight in a rifle. Ha 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 ha. Alright, so this might take one shot. Doesn't seem to be very good, does it? Maybe it is, I don't know. This might take one shot. It might take 50. I don't know. Okay, I haven't shot this thing in 2 years. Could still be dead on. I don't know. This is an old 30-30 Marlin that I've had since I was 17 years old. So 30 years. Almost exactly 30 years. My father bought this for me in hunting season, which is only a few days away, when I was 17. So I've had it almost just about 30 years. We're using a 150 grain Winchester 30-30 shell. I like 150 grain. Load that in there. Set it down here. I'm going to use this barrel to help steady me. And as you've seen me go down, it's about a paced off 50 yards down there to the target. And like I said, it's a pace 50 yards, not exactly 50 yards is about good, because honestly, hunting around here where I hunt in Maine, that's about the most I'm gonna see anyways. So if a deer happens to be at 100 yards, I can see at 50. I want to aim a little high. You know, if he's any more than that. But honestly, 50 yards. I've never shot a deer more than 50 yards. So we're gonna sight it in. I got a barrel set up. You don't really need a barrel. Let's crank you up so you got a little bit more height to you. Woo! Alrighty. I don't really need a barrel, but it helps me steady it to make sure that my shot is more accurate. So put these in my pocket. Just gonna set them down there. We will see what we see. How she is. She's still a little bit loose. Can't get it quite dead steady. Let's go see where that hit. Never a good thing. It's like I missed altogether. That's not a good thing, because I don't know whether to go, whether I'm high, low, up, down, or what I am. So let's see if we can pull this up. You know, we'll know if, and actually this was down a little bit low for where I was. So let's put it up here. Went another 6 or 8 inches higher to get it up over the grass. It was a bit in the grass. And yeah, I guess we go try her again. Okay, what I went and done now, so I went and got me a blanket to set the rifle on. I was kind of worried about, you know, getting marred up by the barrel before. So I got the blanket, and I'm gonna try it again. See what happens. Take the old shell out. I don't reload, but that is brass, folks. That is brass. think we might have hit it that time. Let's go find out. I did hit it that time. It's right there. Alright, and that's cool. It made it a different color. So I should have been able to tell back then. So right now we're about 2.5 inches high and about 1 inch to the right. So what you got a handy dandy little tool here. It's called a dime. Fits right in it. We want to take that to the left, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks to the left. Take it off the top. And now we got 100 yards up and down, so we want to go 2 clicks down. Where we want to be. Now I just lost my cap. Found it. I'm also going to zoom it in a little bit closer. Checked out the old shell. I'm going to zoom that right up. Highest power possible. Get my glasses off. See if I Alright, second shot is about 1 inch to the left and about 1 inch high. You can actually see it from here. So without having to go way down there, jack that shell out. So I went too far to the left. I went 4 clicks before. So let's go 2 back the other way. Should have it up here where you can see it, huh? And I was still a little high. So we want to go 2 more down. I only put 3 shells in it, so we're going to put some more shells into it now. Is this wasting money? Yes, it is. But quite frankly, I bought these Walmart, $9.99 for 20 of them. It's well worth it. Like I said, I haven't shot the gun in 2 years. So now that we know where we're hitting, I'm not going to take you down right away again. Put the bullets in here. I'll show you. Put the bullets in there for those who don't know how to hunt. I have a trigger extender on mine. Jack it in, finger on the trigger extender, put it down, lock it into safety. Try her one more time. See what we get this time. Where are you, target? Where the hell did that one go? Can't even see that one. See that one? Where the hell did the other one go to? Oh, I see it now. Alright, I gotta go a couple clicks back. I'm not even going to bother put these back on right now. I'll put them back on afterwards. It went a little low that time, so I'll go back up. That's not bad at all right there. I know I went through a few more shots and I was not showed you each one, but hey. These right here are my last 3 shots. So I think those are pretty damn close. But the ultimate test, this right here. If we can get it to stick. Hang on, Austin. Right there, about the same size as a, say, your heart. So if we can make that go splat, we'll be okay. So what you got there is me sighting in my rifle. It was kind of funny. I actually had to set up 2 apples. The first one, I forgot to hit record on the phone. Then the second one, split seconds after the apple went, I had filled my phone up with video, so I got lucky there. But anyways, that was me sighting in my rifle to try to hopefully get. Now I can't really get one of these guys right here because we don't have them around these here parts. Don't have them. But hopefully she sighted in and I will get what we do have around here. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. And as always, have a good day.